Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have JBL Pulse 3 speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily do a software update. At first we have to open our app. Now if we have a software update, our monitor will appear right there. As you can see, software update is available. We have to click on it. And now we have to make sure that our micro USB cable is connected into our speaker, like that. And we have to make sure that our speaker is now charging. If it is, we have to click update. Now our data is transferring. Now we have to wait a few minutes because it may take a while. As you can see, estimated time remaining is 8 minutes, now 7. And now, as you can see, our update is successful. Now we just have to click Let's Party. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.